Welcome to our tutorial on the corner command. Let's activate the corner command, and first we'll choose a corner type. We've got two types, corner on support and 3D corner. Let's select corner on support first and disable the other options here. Let's select a support corner, this line, and let's enter a radius value. We'll trim both elements, click Preview. The preview is represented by this yellow line. Click OK. Let's activate the corner command again. Uncheck Trim Elements 1 and 2. Let's select Element 1 and Element 2. We'll zoom in a little bit. As you see, we have 4 possible options. We can click the Next Solution button to cycle through them, or we can simply select the number from the workspace. I can also trim the elements, Preview, OK. Let's activate the corner command again, and this time we're going to choose the Corner on Vertex option. We see that we only have element 1 available for selection. I can select, for example, this vertex, and I have a corner. Once again, I can opt to trim it and preview, or I can select on the line itself. In this way, let's decrease the radius value. In this way, both of the corners get trimmed. Click OK. Let's collapse our tree. We'll right-click, Hide Show. Right-click, select Define in Work Object. Now let's deselect everything. Let's activate the corner command again. We're going to look at the 3D corner type this time. Let's expand our tree. And now we're going to disable these other options. We select Element 1 and Element 2, and we have our corner. Let's cancel out of this for now. You see that these are 4 separate curves. Let's use the Join command to join this curve and this curve. Click OK. Activate the Join command again. Let's join this curve to this curve. OK. Now let's apply the corner command again. For corner type, we'll choose 3D corner. Let's deselect the other options. Now we're going to select elements 1 and 2. Once again, we have 4 solutions. We can click the Next Solution button to cycle through the solutions, or we can simply click on the number in the workspace. By the way, curves don't have to intersect, as in this case. Leave the Trim Element boxes unchecked and click OK. This concludes our tutorial on the corner command.